I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Here's what one-click cutouts get right and wrong. AI background removal detects your subject, builds a mask around it, and cuts it away from everything behind. One click, instead of an hour with the pen tool. It holds up beautifully on clean edges, and quietly falls apart on hair, fur, and glass. Under the hood, it is segmentation. A model recognizes what is subject and what is background, then generates a mask, a pixel outline of the thing to keep. On a well-defined subject, that mask is genuinely accurate. It is measuring a real edge, not inventing one. So where does AI background removal go wrong? 4 things. Hair and fur read as a fuzzy blob. Glass and smoke confuse a model that thinks keep or cut, not partial. Motion blur gives no crisp edge, and a subject close in color to its background leaves it guessing. Always zoom to 100% along the edges. And here is the part people skip. Removing to transparency only asks, is the edge clean? Replacing asks 4 more: light direction, color, perspective, and shadow. A floating subject with no contact shadow never convinces. The composites that fool everyone are the ones where we spent longer on the shadow than on the cutout. Let AI do the mask. You own the edges and the light. Come and see the rest of our AI editing guides at aiprophotography.com.